How to play any games from Steam with a PS4 controller. What's up everyone, welcome to another tutorial. In today's video I'm going to be showing you guys how you can easily play any games from Steam launcher with your PS4 controller. But before getting started, make sure to like the video down below and subscribe to the channel. So there might be some games that are not supported with your controller, or the customization is not yet optimized. In that case, what you need to do is first grab your controller and a USB cable to connect it and connect it with your PC. Now what you're going to do is we're going to look at a walk around. So we're going to work our way around that to make it work. So the first thing you need to do is open up your Steam. Once you do so, you are just going to add a game to your Steam. So head over to your library, or you can just head over to your store and then tap on add a game. Then you're just going to add a non-Steam game. Now in this case, you are just going to find the game that you want to add, for example this Roblox player or something else. And if you don't find it, you can always browse it through your computer and find the file location first. And after you have added the game, what you're going to do now is go ahead on the top right corner, you'll find this enter big picture mode. Just tap on it. Now Steam will restart and it will enter the big picture mode like this. And once the big picture mode is completely open, what you're going to do now is tap on the menu section right here on the bottom left. Then go ahead and tap on the settings icon. Now you'll find the controller on the left side of your screen. Tap on the controller settings, and under the PlayStation controller, make sure that it's enabled or enabled in games without support. Make sure to try out both, which one works well for you. And once you make sure that this is enabled, you can go ahead and turn on the desktop layout for your game, so enable Steam input. After doing this, you can easily control all of your game's layout with your controller. And now you can just exit this mode, so go ahead and exit. Head over to your menu, head over to your library, and make sure to open the game that you want to play with your controller. Now the Steam layout will take over the controller and you will be able to play the game with your controller. And that's pretty much it. I hope you found this helpful, and I'll see you guys on the next one. So you can just try to exit out of the big picture mode now. Go ahead and tap on menu, tap on power, and exit the big picture mode, and you should be good to go. That's pretty much it. I'll see you guys on the next one.